Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Hey, how y'all doing, Mom? Muka butts. Okay, OOTD. Guys, I did like a little simple OOTD for today. Why? Because I'm chilling. You feel me? I'm chilling. Bow. Okay, so hand placements that will drive him crazy. So hand placements is basically like you'll touch him and like he'll start to lose his shit. Okay, so had to make sure my yitties wasn't at. I don't play that because you know YouTube be a little strict. Okay, anyway, so one hand placement that men really love. Listen, hear me out, because some of these y'all gonna be like, oh no, that's like feminine. Shut the fuck up. No, it's not. Okay, so one is right here. So this area is like really sensitive for them, right? Like mad sensitive for them. So like that is like, that's one of the places, like if you walking past him, you could just like gently like, you know, or whatever. They love that. That's a really sensitive area. I don't know if it's a sensitive area because it's about a dick or what, but like it's a really sensitive ass area. Okay? Right there. That's one hand placement. Another hand placement is right here, right? Like literally right next to the third leg. So like, and by that I mean like, so when you're sitting down next to your man, right? Like, and these are things that are gonna subtly turn them the fuck on, and they're gonna just be like, girl, what should we do to me? Anyway, so when you're sitting next to your man, your whatever, put your hand right there, like right below. Rub it occasionally. Grab it if you want to get a little intense with it. Grab it. Like, I'm telling you, they love that shit. Like, because you already know, like, men are really like sexual creatures, right? So it's just like the littlest things really do get them the fuck going. They love that. Okay, so like another hand placement that men like is when you rub the back of their necks, right? Whether that'll be when they're doing something, like whether when they're driving, if y'all just sitting down watching a movie, watching TV, or whatever. So like you put your hand on the back of their neck, and I kind of just like do like a little like that on the back of their neck. They love that shit. Like, they be getting goosebumps, and they be ready to just give that dick out. They just be ready. They just be ready to just let it out. Be like, oh, you wanna get nasty, baby. And it's just like, oh my God, I mean, like, that wasn't the plan, but if you want to get nasty, we can totally do that. Okay. Another hand placement that men like. So men like being touched on their neck too. Okay, so hear me out, okay? So like, you know how women, like, we love being like grabbed by like our neck and stuff like that. So like we do that in like men do that to us in like a dominant way. Like, come here, I own you type shit. Right? But like, I don't mean like that. I mean like in a more gentle, feminine way. Yes, you could yoke a man up by his neck. He probably gonna like it. I ain't even gonna hold you, depending on the man. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like gentle, right? So like when I kiss a guy, right? And I'm not being like nasty. I'm being like, you know, like a regular, you know, I'll like put my hands like around their neck like that. They love that shit. Their necks are so sensitive. And again, it's gentle. Like, it's not like, you know, I mean, I have those moments. I ain't even gonna hold you. But like, it's like a gentle, you know what I'm saying? Like, they love that shit. Another hand placement that men like. Now, this is when you hug them, right? So like, but this is kind of like if you're short or like, but I mean, if he's taller than you, like, it'll do. So like, if you're hugging a man, right hand placement behind his neck, arms like that, they love that shit. And then like, I'll like put my arms behind the neck, and then like I'll kind of like, I'm a petter, baby. I like to pet because like, I feel like that's one of the best, like one of the best ways you could give attention to somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like, because like, yes, it's one thing to cuddle somebody. Yes, it's one thing to hold somebody. But when you're actually like holding them, and then you're like like petting them, like it's sweet and it keeps them like in the moment, you know? Like that's like affection on top of affection. Like they love that shit. Okay? Okay. And that's it, guys. It's like, it's kind of, there's only like a few. Well, to my knowledge, there's only a few. There's probably more. Hold on, let me think a second. Give me a second. Nope, I said that. I said that. I said that. Yeah, that's it. That's it. If y'all want a girl version, let me know, because the girl version is going to be a lot more detailed than this version, because like there's a lot more placements for us, I feel like. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. I'm right. Okay, so any life updates or drama I need to tell y'all, okay? Because like that's okay, education's over. Back to the phone. Hey girl, how you doing? I miss you. God, I don't really have any drama. I don't. I'm just locked in, focused, and I'm ready to fucking move, guys. I'm so ready to move. I've never been so excited and so ready for something in my whole life. Like, I low-key regret saying that I'm moving in the time that I'm moving, because like that's something that I did for my family so I could spend more time with them before I leave. I low-key should have told them a different time, because like I'm kind of ready now. Like, I'm ready to go. I'm done. I can't do this. I'm done with Pennsylvania. It's cold. I'm like the I mean, it's warm now, but baby, you already know that's limited. You ready? It's finna get cold. Real, it's finna get fuck. Oh my God, it's fucking cold. Yo, Pennsylvania is tragic. Oh, another hand placement. Their shoulders, by the way. They like when you touch and caress their shoulders. They love that shit. By the way, I forgot about the shoulders, guys. My bad. My bad. The shoulders are like an important ass part, too. Hi, Sassy. How you doing, baby? And that's it for today's video. And I will see y'all in my next